This video, we're going to show you how to make a moisture correction adjustment. This particular machine is an S790. Most S Series combines are similar. We're going to go to main menu, machine settings, grain handling. And down at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a spot that says moisture correction. And at the bottom here, we can make a correction in that white box. Currently, there is no correction in this machine. It is a positive or negative value. If you need to make the reading on the combine show as drier, you will make a negative correction. If the combine is reading drier than what the crop is actually reading, we need to put in a positive correction. It is a percentage on newer combines versus a direct number change. So be mindful of that.